This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place: Homebrew, a JDK 17 or newer, and VSCode. Once done, install the Java extension pack inside VSCode so language support, debugger, and build tools work. Next, open a project folder or use the command palette and choose Java. Create Java project to scaffold files. This step gives you launch, JSON, and tasks. JSON automatically, so make sure Java Home points to your JDK and your terminal recognizes Java and JAVAC. Once your project exists, configure the build system. Pick Maven or Gradle for larger projects or add simple JAVAC/Java tasks for small demos. You will edit tasks. JSON to compile and create a launch. JSON entry to launch or attach the debugger. Make sure your class path and module settings match package names, otherwise breakpoints won't map. Use the integrated terminal to run builds and execute tests, and keep the extensions view open to resolve missing symbols or dependency issues quickly. You finish by running and debugging. Set breakpoints, use step over and step into, and inspect variables or evaluate expressions in the debug console. Make sure to rebuild the workspace if you change dependencies or module settings so the Java language server updates its indexes. If things go wrong, check the Problems panel and the Java language server logs for clear errors. A frequent fix is correcting Java Home or selecting the right JDK in VS Code status bar, and then restarting the window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.